I have beautiful Bridget here. No, Sabrina. I want to talk about vivid colors. All right, so I have 3 rules, okay? When you have a client that comes in and she's like, oh, I want that vivid color. It's so pretty. Number 1, if she wants red, any type of red vivid color, it is going to be the hardest color to get out, okay? So that is a full-on commitment. They want red, even dark pink. There is a commitment there like no other, okay? The molecules are so small that they stay in the hair shaft, but they're so small that they quickly fade out, but they stay for a long time, okay? So that's a full-on commitment on that. Number 2, make sure they are committed all around. Any color they get, make sure they know that these colors after a few washes are going to fade. And they're gonna probably need to at least come in monthly to get their color freshened up. Now some product lines I know fade beautiful. So when it does fade, it's like a whole new hairdo and most people love it. But sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it fades a lot quicker and you know, we can't control that. It's a matter of how porous the hair is, how light we had to get them, but it's a semi-permanent color all around. So it's not going to stay in too long, okay? Your job would be to, as a hairstylist and a client, just know there's maintenance involved, a lot of maintenance. You're gonna, like I said, commit to at least coming in monthly for a touch-up. You're gonna wanna make sure that you know about the fadeage, that it's gonna fade. And number 3 on that one, you're gonna make sure that they're committed to it. You know, what's the long-term goal? Make sure that it's something they wanna keep for a long time. You know, and like if Sabrina came in and we did all this, and then the next time she came in, she goes, well, I wanna be platinum blonde now. Honey, that's not gonna happen. Like, she has to know that yes, it'll fade, but it'll never be platinum. Like, it would be very hard to be platinum. And number 3, make sure that they are using and being sent home with great products. If you do all this work, right? This took me like 2 hours to do. You do all this work and they go home and they're using Pantene, that's just gonna fade so quick. You have to make sure that they are going home with salon quality products that are sulfate-free, paraffin-free. Hopefully from your shop, and sell them on that. You have to do it. Not as a, like, you have to just upsell people. They have to get it. Just spit everywhere. They have to get it, because if they don't, and they, like I said, they use Pantene or herbal essence, this is gonna fade out so quick, it'll be pointless. I hope everybody learned something. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment below, make sure you're subscribing, and make sure you follow me on all my other platforms. It's a little different and spicy on each one. So follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Facebook's probably my most normal. Instagram's where I get to have a little fun and do some boomerangs and stuff. TikTok, I'm ridiculous. I mean, ridiculous. Anything goes. So there you go. Love y'all. Bye.